Using a Starbucks gift card on Doordash is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite Starbucks beverages and food from the comfort of your own home. To get started, first ensure that you have a Doordash account and the Doordash app installed on your device. Next, open the Doordash app and search for Starbucks in the search bar. Once you have found the Starbucks store, click on it to view the menu and begin your order. Browse through the menu and select the items you wish to purchase. Then click the Checkout button to proceed. At the checkout screen, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Click on the Payment Method drop-down menu and select Gift Card. You will then be asked to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. Enter the gift card details carefully and correctly. Then click Apply to add the gift card to your order. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your order, you can complete the checkout process. If the gift card balance is insufficient, you will be asked to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is essential to note that not all Doordash locations accept gift cards, so it is always a good idea to check with your local Doordash before attempting to use a gift card. Additionally, some gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use, so be sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card before attempting to use it on Doordash. By following these simple steps, you can easily use a Starbucks gift card on Doordash and enjoy the convenience of having your favorite Starbucks items delivered right to your doorstep. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your gift card and check with your local Doordash to ensure that they accept gift cards before attempting to use one.